So I will show you a little bit how then what is the actual issue. The problem is that water, of course, comes from on the window, and it I guess it will never tighten totally, so water will come into the door. But in this case, it comes onto the speaker, and as you can see, it's leftovers here. And if you look at the speaker, there should be a seal here, but it's as you see, vaporized for some reason. Bad quality by Volkswagen. So water is pouring down here and goes here and into the car. So what you need to do is to fix that new seal. I will fix it with some silicone or something in between and tighten it and put it together again. But how to pull it off? You start with this. It's a small plastic thing that you sits like this, and you can just take it with your bare hands actually and put it off. And then you have two screws, torque screws, these screws, and they sit as I showed you in the handle and goes here and whatever there. And when that's done, you need to remove the little it's this little plastic thing with the you remove that one, and inside that you have this a bit odd solution, but you just pull that half round, a quarter, or half round, and then you can pull it off. See in that hole, maybe you can't see it really, but it's shaped like this. Yeah, and then when that's done, you just pull everything off, and that's done by I started in this corner. That is the corner where the speaker is, and just pull out. I use some plastic tool to get my fingers under and just pull. So you need to pull off all these, and sometimes they sit. They doesn't really pull off, but they are stuck in the car. But then you can just, because it's this arrangement with it's when it's squeezed together, it's getting bigger. So when pulled off, it will fall off. But sometimes it doesn't come with the door, so you need to pull it off manually. So when you pull all those off, as you see, it also sits on the top here in the window. So you just, I started in the back, just lifting it up, so it comes off quite nice. And you have these to the different electrical stuff in the car. It's that's for the window control. This is for the small speaker. This is for the big speaker, and then you have this for the handle, which is quite easy actually. It's just pull this and it will come off. So, and the same way as when going back, just pull it. So it's quite easy actually. And the speaker is it's put there by I don't know the English word for it now actually, but it's fixed by metal plugs. So you just drill out this and put that. When I will seal it with some kind of silicone or something, and when I've done that, I will try to find some fitting screws instead to pull it together. So that's it. And when you put it together, start in the opposite way. Start by pushing it down here, and then when that's done, of course you need to fit all these gadgets again, and then just set it together. So then you're fine. So I guess a little bit of bad quality from Volkswagen, but actually I think Volkswagen should have done this for all customers, because I guess this more or less everyone will have this problem with leaking water into the car. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.